Kia ora! Welcome back to another skipping tutorial. I'm Sasha, and today I'm going to teach you a really cool move that again, you don't even have to jump over the rope. I'm going to give you two levels for this, level 1 and level 2. Once you've got level 1 sorted out, then you can move up, try level 2. It's called the arm wrap. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I'm in starting position. I'm not going to jump, so I'm not going to move my feet. I'm going to bring it over. This is level 1. Wrap it all the way around the arm. And then I'm going to reverse the direction, go backwards, unwrap. And backwards into a heel catch. This is what level 2 looks like. This time we just wrap it once, hold it there, then we bring this arm across our body, go backwards to unwrap, and into a forward toe catch. All right, let's break it down a little bit. Okay, let's start with level 1. Everyone start on level 1. Okay, so as we bring it over the top, we're gonna reach one arm right out the side of our body, and one arm comes across our belly there. And then we're gonna swing the rope forwards, and we're just gonna swing it, swing it, swing it, until we can't swing it no more. And then we reverse it, go backwards, unwrap, 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 and then up and back, okay? A lot of people, some kids, go backwards with the arm wrap. So what they do is they come here and then they go backwards first. That's totally fine. If you find that easier, that's all good. And then you go forwards to unwrap it. So you decide what feels easiest for you. Let's have a look at it in slow-mo. Okay, that's level 1. Once you've got level 1 down, let's move it up to level 2. Okay, level 2, this time, once we come over, we're gonna do it just once. So we just want the rope to go once around. So it's not a great big movement, so we don't need to swing it massively and fast, because then it will go more than once. Okay, so just a little movement with our arms, wrap it once. Then keep your body facing forward. This is key, okay? Only move your arm across your body. Don't move your body like this. Stay forward here. Reach that arm out across the other side of the body and reverse it to go backwards and unwrap. Let's have a look at that one in slow-mo. There we go. That's a cool little move. You don't even have to jump over the rope, which is awesome. Have a little practice and see how you go. Ka kite anō.